What if the reason your stainless steel welds rust is something you can't see? You finish a weld and it looks flawless, but weeks or months later, corrosion appears around the weld zone. That's not bad stainless steel, that's a damage protective layer. Stainless steel resists corrosion because of chromium. When chromium reacts with oxygen, it forms a thin, invisible layer of chromium oxide. This microscopic film seals off the iron underneath from moisture and contaminants. As long as that layer is intact, the metal stays protected. Welding changes that. The heat from welding creates oxidation and heat tint. Grinding and fabrication can smear free iron onto the surface. Cutting exposes fresh metal. Free iron particles are highly reactive, and once exposed to moisture or chlorides, they begin to rust. And that's why passivation is essential. Passivation removes free iron and surface contamination, then restores the chromium oxide layer that gives stainless steel its corrosion resistance. It ensures the weld zone performs the same as the parent material. Traditionally, this has been done using strong acids like nitric acid or hydrofluoric pickling paste. These chemicals dissolve contamination and allow the oxide layer to reform. While effective, they introduce safety risks, hazardous fumes, chemical waste, and lengthy handling procedures. This is where electrochemical passivation offers a modern alternative. The TIG Brush by Enzitech uses a controlled electrical current combined with a proprietary electrolyte solution. A conductive brush delivers the current directly to the weld surface. As the brush moves across the weld, the electrical reaction removes heat tint, eliminates free iron, and immediately initiates the formation of the protective chromium oxide layer. It cleans and passivates at the same time. The process is fast, targeted, and controlled. There's no immersion tank, no aggressive acid exposure, and no extended dwell time. The reaction occurs only when the brush is applied, making it precise and efficient. That's why the TIG brush is a true solution for passivation. It restores corrosion resistance in seconds. It reduces operator exposure to hazardous chemicals. It improves productivity by shortening post-weld treatment time. It delivers a consistent, high-quality finish. Industries with strict hygiene and durability requirements, including aerospace, food processing, and pharmaceutical manufacturing, rely on proper passivation to maintain performance and compliance. The TIG brush meets those demands while simplifying the process. Passivation isn't optional if you want stainless steel to remain stainless. It's no longer a slow, hazardous step. It's a fast, controlled, and reliable part of the welding process. Protect the weld, restore corrosion resistance, extend the life of every stainless steel component. TIG Brush, always leading.